Good morning students. Welcome to PPS English class, grade KG. I am your teacher Navneet. Hope you all are fine at your home. Today we are going to do sound of double E. So let's start. Our first sound word is B, double E, B. B double E, B. Now S double E, C. S double E, C. Now F double E, Phi. F double E, Phi. Now F double E, T, feet. F double E, T, feet. Now M double E, T, meet. M double E, T, meet. Next sound word is F double E, L, feel. F double E, L, feel. Now H double E, L, heel. H double E, L, heel. Next one is P double E, L, peel. P double E, L, peel. Now S double E, D, seed. S double E, D, seed. Our last sound word is F double E, D, feed. F double E, D, feed. So students, you have to do one page of sound of double E. Thank you. Have a nice day.